Yo-ho! This is what happens if you don't move the bow.
So Todd, I think your next video series has to be pellets versus armour.
Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and I am at Matt and Lucy Easton's skirmish event.
With Matt Easton of Schola Gladiatoria.
And this is another weird weapons. So this is basically, I find something from history that's a little bit weird, a little bit unusual. I make it, we mess about with it.
Is it a blanket?
It is a blanket, Matt.
Oh!
Yeah. So this one should be really obvious for you to find out. So just open it up, let's have a look.
Yeah, so it's got a sort of springy bit on one side, hasn't it?
Yeah. Come on,
Is this related to some things we've been looking at?
It might be. So put you all out of your misery. What it is a pellet bow. And it's a double string and it shoots little clay balls.
I've got no idea how to grip that.
No.
Do you just squeeze it?
You do. Well, let's have a little play.
Right.
But before we have a little play, there's some things that we need to know. I made this and tested it the other day. You might see a little bit of marking on the inside of the handle here. And that is where the shot managed to explode on the inside of the bow. So I've got two things for you, Matt.
You're not going to start me off with lead bullets, are you?
Very important.
Nice.
Equally important. I'll give you a little demo first, but I'll just show you at the beginning. You get a little shot like this, which is about 18 millimeters in diameter, something like that. It's just rolled clay, just been left to dry. That's all it is. And that's why these things are fantastically useful for hunting, because it's cheap. In this case, you just grip the pouch and the ball like that. I'm going to do this very gently, and you shoot like that, being very careful to move the bow as you loose. So should we go down the range, Matt?
Yeah, sounds good.
And here is my confession. I made this string the other day. I've never shot one of these things before, and about my first 4 or 5 shots went straight into the back of the bow, which is why the safety glasses come. A couple of them have also quite clearly gone into the back knuckle guard of the glove here. So I will give you a demo of my excellent technique, because I did manage to shoot about 3 shots in a row without actually hitting the bow. So let's see what happens.
That went backwards.
Oh, no, it didn't. That actually went into my glove. Right, let's try again. This is not going very well. So it's something like this. I'm doing it again now. Oh, well, it did go there because you heard it. So as you may have noticed, the pouch is high, my hand is low. So this is what happens if you don't move the bow.
Oh, it explodes on the bow.
It explodes on launch, yeah. So I am determined to get one off that I can prove to Matt actually works. No, hit the bow again. Right, onto you.
I think I want it to rotate.
You definitely do.
Right, okay.
Grip the shot, do whatever you want to do.
Oh, it's quite difficult to grip.
Yeah, it's sort of all right.
So am I aiming at the knight?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay. Wow, that just exploded on the bow.
It did just explode on the bow. But I have got this thing to work, but you do need to make sure that as you release,
yeah,
you're turning your wrist.
Ow.
Where did that hit?
I think I hit my wrist.
Oh, God, you're right. Do you want to
yeah, no,
bracer?
It's fine, it's fine.
A little bit of context here. This is not me and Matt just playing around with something stupid for the sake of it, although it is exactly that as well. These are used currently, still do, probably not massively, but they're still used in China, and there's certainly a resurgence of interest in them in China. This particular bow is because I don't care about it very much. I've got a lovely wooden recurve medieval Italian bow that would work brilliantly for this. And the reason I bring that up is we used to use them in Europe as well. So there's a fantastic painted by a guy called Carpaccio of duck hunters in Venice Lagoon with beautiful recurve wooden bows in about 1500. I know it's a funny thing. I'm annoyed now because I can't, right.
Oh, look at that one.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to try different. I'm going to try pulling my arm to the side as I release.
Yeah, that worked for me, and it worked.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So kind of, which is really bad archery form, because normally you do that and the arrow will go flying off, but maybe that's just what you need to do to make this work. Oh, straight into the bow. Showered with shrapnel.
Not doing very well. Right, come on then, I'll have a go again. So I have had a look on YouTube at people using them. They're clearly much better than me. But there is a technique to it. I just haven't yet quite found it.
I'm very glad you made me wear the glove and glasses though.
Oh yeah. Oh, goodness sake, we're going to run out of ammunition. No. Now this is annoying. This is going to be the world's rubbishly weird weapon film. Because I did get this to work the other day and I came here in full confidence.
Well, and we can't conclude it doesn't work because we know that lots of people have made it. Oh, that kind of flew off over there somewhere.
Oh, right. One
I
more.
think it might have bounced off the bow.
I think we need a volunteer who stands a better chance of making this work. What do you think?
Maybe. If we could find someone who knows how to shoot.
If we could find somebody who knows how to shoot.
So that went off into the hedge there, but I think it bounced off the...
Right.
Yeah.
Let's get one of these in slow-mo.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Seeing it explode in slow-mo is bad.
So that is just square into the back of the bow, isn't it?
Shall I try one more with a really exaggerated arm movement?
Yep.
I didn't move my hand quick enough.
So here's your second one. So you did much more exaggerated movement. Yeah.
It looks like I didn't even move the bow hand at all.
No, but it did clip more than anything. I think we need a professional. Somebody who's much more used to these bows. So we brought in Matt.
Okay, so I'm going to try to do the Turkish katra, but I'm going to also do Korean hold of the bow. So I'm going to hold it with the Korean pre-twist, and then I'm going to do the katra, which is getting the bow out of the way. So then when you're in here and then when you release, the bow goes like this.
So the natural release takes the bow out of the way.
Yeah.
Nailed it.
All right, another one.
Yeah. So it just passed cleanly. Oh, very nice. Matt Easton suddenly appeared back in frame with a parasol, because in case you hadn't noticed, this is an incredibly hot day. Right, let's go for another slow-mo. So, I mean, you're achieving what we weren't achieving, which is actually shooting something.
The really impressive thing to me is that he hasn't hit the bow once.
Yeah.
So clearly his theory was correct.
Yeah. Oi!
Oh. And that was hard.
Yeah.
You know, it's a hunting implement. If you hit a bird with that.
Yeah, that's gone. Yo!
Oh!
That was just to his right cheek, pretty much, wasn't it? Oh! Explode on launch. It didn't.
You can't put that.
Oh, am I going to get sued?
You can't put that on YouTube. So Todd, I think your next video series has to be pellets versus armour. Oh, look at the market left on the...
Can you just give us a demonstration of what you were doing there that was making it successful where Matt and I were not? A longbow grip, you're gripping almost like that, and the bow will not rotate.
Yeah, they're different.
But the Korean grip, you're moving your hand around it.
It's just a bit like that.
So as you put it under tension, you can pull it back, but as you loose, it just does that.
It's still going to be basically the same mechanics, but when you release, it just tilts a bit.
Yeah.
So I did an exaggerated one, which would be like that. So when you're holding it, it was perpendicular to me. So on the release, I was not shooting like an arrow, because if you're shooting an arrow, you need to be stable for the arrow to not get any interference from the archer. But with this one, I was literally just flicking it like that. So I wasn't using it as a bow per se, but more like a string.
And the string kind of stays on track enough.
Yeah. So my aim was here, so I was shooting it with the string like that.
See, in my mind, the string is still travelling towards the bow. So the projectile is always travelling towards the bow, the point of rest.
Yes.
So I understand, but I still also don't understand why it doesn't still hit the bow anyway. I mean, it obviously works. We saw it.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
You know, and that's the best kind of science.
So Matt, thank you so much for showing us. I'm not saying that we're going to learn, but Matt has an archery school. So if you want to learn about these kind of bows, this kind of archery, thumb ring archery you specialise in?
Yeah.
He's the man to see.
Has he had to go through?
Link in the notes. And in the meantime, let's make fools of ourselves again, Matt. So that was fantastically interesting to actually see somebody who knows what they're doing do it, and successfully.
It makes all the difference, really, doesn't it, knowing what you're doing?
And I do promise you, I've managed to do this successfully. So I'm going to have another go and fail, and then I'm going to hand over to Matt, who is obviously going to succeed brilliantly. Oh, Jesus. Oops, sorry. This is just like an exploding ball show, isn't it? Ah! Hold on, hold on.
I heard a bush.
Yeah, hold on. Yes!
Ah,
Right.
What have you changed?
I will explain.
Yeah, that
Yeah?
went off to the right.
So what I'll do, I'll take the glove off and I'll show you what I'm doing. I can't grip around this bow. Maybe I'm not used to it. My strength is not there. I can't draw it back with my hand in this position. But what I am doing, because it's got big flat slab sides on it,
Yeah.
is I'm putting a twist. So
Okay.
I'm pulling back, but I'm also putting that twist.
So you're almost working against the draw, like putting in a sort of twisting tension.
Yeah,
as
I'll
you-
do one more and then I'll hand over to you. Not like I actually hit anything, but I didn't hit the bow either.
You hit a bush.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I want to hit the man now. It's actually shooting fairly straight.
Okay. I'm definitely still going to wear the glove though.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sorted. So that's it, we nailed the technique. Yeah,
just putting that twist in.
it's putting that twist
It's quite
in.
difficult
Yeah.
because your hand wants to slip around the grip, doesn't it?
But it helps because that's quite slab-sided.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 in a row, there you go. 4 in a row, brilliant.
I'm
That's
happy, even if I didn't hit anything.
No.
At least I didn't hit the bow.
Can you let me have one more shot?
Yeah, of course.
And
It's
then
your,
we'll conclude.
It's your bow.
Yeah, but it's too hot. It's too hot to stay out here for too long. Oh, one more shot. It's always one more shot. It's like Joe Gibbs. There's always one more shot.
Ah, you got him in the head at last.
Thank you. Thank you.
And on that note,
Let's conclude. Almond glove for an amateur. Required?
yeah, definitely. Although
Right.
I don't think Matt, Red Matt, I don't think he hit the glove at all.
No. I think if I did it a lot and I was very comfortable and very confident,
Yeah,
I'd be all right without.
yeah.
Because actually it should go above your hand. But I think you also see the pocket level with the hand. But that's
Really?
like for advanced users.
Right.
So this bow here, it is a Central European, Asian style bow. I don't know if it's anything in particular, but you used to see them in Europe as well.
As was demonstrated there with the repeated, very accurate hits to the head of
And they
the
were
target.
very accurate.
Yeah, someone who's adept with that is definitely going to be able to go hunting with it. It's quiet. If you miss, you don't have to go and retrieve the pellet. You know, if you don't want to leave an arrow around in
Yeah.
the forest. Potentially, if you're poaching, there's no real evidence. They're never going to, you find arrows around, you're not going to find those pellets.
Anything bird hunting or rabbit hunting, where you are duck hunting in a pond, you're almost guaranteed to lose your arrows. Rabbit hunting is a good chance. We didn't get chronograph reading. The chaps there were saying that they were reckoning it was about 160 feet per second, something like that, which is about 45, 50 meters per second.
So, I mean, as a hunting implement, absolutely fantastic. Probably as a weapon of war,
No.
almost useless.
Yeah.
Although maybe, who knows?
I mean, again, it's those sort of garrison situations. If all you've got is that and you can start poking
Yeah,
clay balls into
yeah.
some guy's face at 40 meters, it's not a bad thing.
Yeah, I guess. And at the end of the day, slings, I mean, I know slings can get some pretty impressive speeds out of them. So it is, once the projectile's in the air, it's basically like a sling at that point, isn't it? It's like a sling stone. So
I don't know if they use them in the Americas, actually. I don't know.
I don't know either.
Tell us.
Yeah.
However, what I would say, that was really good fun, actually.
Yeah. Well, it was frustrating when you just couldn't get it to work.
Yeah.
But once you worked out the trick of, as you explained to me, like introducing that twist into the bow,
Yeah.
so that immediately, because formerly when I was trying to do that, I was trying to consciously do it.
Yes.
And
It just
your
doesn't
brain can't do it quick enough. But if you've got the actual twist built in, then it just happens.
It just happens.
Yeah.
And the really satisfying thing about those clay balls as well was hitting a hard target with that burst of dust and a witness of where you struck was brilliant.
It's very rewarding, isn't it? Yeah.
So, today's weird weapon was the pellet bow. Used all over the world, as far as I can gather, probably in the Americas too, I suspect. Certainly in Europe, certainly in Asia, and certainly good fun.
Thanks a lot.
thank you.
Another weird weapon done.
Another weird weapon done. There will be more. There will be more. But thank you. And if you enjoy this, obviously subscribe to, well, both our channels. I also, well, we both have Patreon, and I also have websites that if you're interested in this kind of thing, you'll absolutely love the content of that. And don't forget, of course, Todd Cutler, which is the second YouTube channel for my stuff. See you again, guys.